Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about graph the function and find the solution of the absolute value. So now I will show you the answer. Question number 1. Graph. The graph passes through the point to negative number 1 with the slope of number 3. So the formula of this one. The slope is about number 3. We put number 3 in here. We have s is about number 2. We put number 2 in here. And negative number 1. We put negative number 1 in here. So we got about negative number 1. Number 3 multiplied with number 2 plus b. So we got about number 6. We put number 6 on the left, and you got about negative number 1, negative number 6, and we got about negative number 7. So the formula of this equation, that should be about y is equal to number 3s minus negative number 7 that we just find in here. So the graph of this one, we see that when s equal to number 0, so the value of y is equal to negative number 7. So we put negative number 7 in here. So if y equal to number 0, we put negative number 7 on the left, and we divide both sides with number 3. So we got about s equals to 2.33, or I put about 7 over 3 in here. After we got 2 points together, we just connect, and this is the graph of the function in here. Now let's go to the next one. We do the same. The slope of negative number 1, so you got about negative in here. We have s is about negative number 3, and negative number 2, this is about y. So we got about negative number 2 is equal to positive number 3, negative, negative, you got about positive. We put number 3 on the left, and we got about negative number 5 is equal to b. So the formula of this one, that's a negative s, negative number 5. Now we need to graph. When s equal to number 0 in here, y equal to negative number 5, so we put negative number 5 in here. When y equal to number 0, that means s should be about negative number 5, so negative number 5 in here. We connect 2 poles together, and here is about the graph of this function in here. Now let's go to the next one. We have y is equal to as plus b. The slope is about number 0, so we put number 0 in here, and you got about y is equal to b. So y we have only number 4, we put number 4 in here. So we got about 4 is equal to b, and now we got about y equals to number 4. Now we graph the function in here. So this one we put about y is equal to number 4. This is about horizontal line in here, and here is about number 4 at this point in here. Now let's go to the last one. Graph pass through the point phi 0 with undefined slope. Undefined slope, that means the slope we have delta y over delta s. If the slope is undefined, that means they go to positive infinity, or delta s equal to number 0. So we have the ball they go through, that's about phi 0. So we have s, and we put number 5 go in here. The slope of s equals to number 5. That should be like this. And here is the answer for the question number 4. Now let's go to the next one, the absolute value. If we have the absolute value in the both side in here, we got choose equation. That's about s minus 12 is equal to 4 minus s, and s minus 12 is equal to negative of 4 minus s. Negative of 4 minus s. So we put negative s on the left, negative number 12 on the right. This one with negative, so we change for s minus 4. If we put s on the left, you got about s minus s. Negative number 12 go to the right. So this one you got about 2s is equal to number 16. So we divide both sides with number 2. This one you got about 0s, so we don't have solution of this one. So the answer just only s is equal to number 8. Now let's go to the second one. We have this one. We see that this is about negative, but this one they could provide a positive Positive is always bigger than negative, but they want to add 5. The number is smaller than with the negative sign here. So in this situation, we don't have no solution. That's the end. Thank you for watching.